While the Meghalaya government has adopted a strategy of identifying, contact tracing and isolation in the fight against COVID-19, ground reality revealed some serious lapses. A visit to one of the containment zone, Mauba, revealed that many of the primary contacts of the positive patients have not been taken for testing even after weeks of the cases being detected. Similar is the case in Nongmengsong area. Rangbash Nong, or headman of Mauba, David Siamlie, said that they are facing tremendous hardships as 4 cases have so far been detected from the locality, and from 25 primary contacts, only 9 have been taken for testing, while there is no word from the district administration after the rest, even after weeks. He said it is a big concern for them and has also created a sense of panic among the residents.
Cannot see that all is well. We are facing a very hard times, right? Primary contacts till now, they are not tested. There is contact of Indra Gada.
Okay.
25 kita.
25 of them?
Yeah, maybe, But
primary
contacts. Out of them, only 9 has been tested positive. Daily wage earners are facing problem. Wherefrom they cannot go out from our locality, so it's very hard time for us.
Meanwhile, Meghalaya Health Minister A.L. Hek, who visited the locality along with the Director of Health Services, Dr. Aman War, admitted that there was a delay in taking the primary contacts and said that the delay was due to the backlog of test samples. He said that it is a concern for the health authorities and that is why they visited the area. He informed that this morning another 10 primary contacts was taken for testing.
Now already spoken to the MCS Kongrani. Immediately today they start that exercise to take them up for the testing. Antigen test will be done today only.
Okay.
But in batches, not all of them, because there's so much rush in Pulu. There's so much rush also in civil hospital. That containment area we went last Saturday, Sunday we went. Sunday we went. We went Sunday. Now what is it? This Thursday today. The last 4 days. Already we have declared that area where that Rohan Chetri were found positive in that compound you're talking about, no?
The army guy.
Yeah, the army guy. So already declared containment area. We have already taken all the name by the ASHAs and all the health workers and the Ganwadi workers. We have already done the inventories also. Already done the inventorization, already written their name. They are going to take now for the testing.
Meanwhile, MLA of the constituency, Mohendra Rapsang, also expressed serious concern on the issue and urged the health authorities to immediately take the primary contacts for tests today as people are in panic and fear. He further informed that he has spoken to the COVID Management Committee and the Darbar Chnong to provide essential commodities to the people.
In Mauba, what we have seen is there are still primary contacts which are still there at home for the last 5-6 days, which is not done. Which I've requested the doctor and I've requested the health minister to immediately take them for test today, which the minister with the director has agreed to do. Because people are still in panic, people are still in fear, because all those primary contacts has not yet been tested. So that is my first request. Number 2, essential commodities are quite scarce in this area. So arrangement for essential committee, I've talked to the headman, the committee management, that essential committee can be arranged from my side. I'll hand over to the Darbar and they'll do the needful, which house is needed more, they'll do that.
A week after a person was detected positive here at Mauba, right behind me, which is the containment zone, the primary contacts of the person who was detected positive are still at home. And this has created a lot of panic and also raises a lot of concern amongst the people out here and even the MLA who visited this containment area. Although the government is saying that this is due to the backlog of testing, that this thing is happening, but definitely this is a cause of concern. With camera person Francis Mabuna, this is Roshan Rai in Shillong for Northeast Live.